If you want to build a professional website using Hostinger's website builder, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. By the end of this video, you'll have your Hostinger hosting account set up, a free domain name connected on annual plans, your website created using Hostinger's drag and drop builder, a professional design customized to match your brand, and your site ready to publish live to the internet. And the best part, you don't need to know any coding, no HTML, no CSS, no technical skills. Now before we jump in, I'm also going to give you access to an exclusive Hostinger discount. If you use the link in the description below, along with the coupon code next to the link, you'll save even more than the standard Hostinger discount you see listed on their website. Plus you'll get a free domain name included when you choose an annual plan. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest pricing available, lower than going directly to Hostinger. Alright, let's get started and build your website step by step. Once you click the link in the description, you'll land directly on the Hostinger page. Go ahead and click the Plain Deal button. That'll take you to the Hosting Plan section. Here you'll see 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll clearly explain which plan makes the most sense specifically for using the website builder so you know exactly what to choose. Now here's something important. Even though Hostinger already shows a large discount on the page, the exclusive promo code I provided saves you even more at checkout, so make sure you apply it. And no matter which plan you choose, all of them include 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, global data centers, 99.9% uptime guarantee. Now let's quickly break down the plans so you can choose the right one confidently. Hostinger's premium plan is a great starting point. You can host up to 3 websites, get 20 GB of SSD storage, free email accounts for the first year, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, and a free domain name when you choose an annual plan. It also includes the built-in AI website builder. However, here's the key limitation. If you're using the website builder on the premium plan, you cannot accept online payments. So if you plan to sell products, services, or run any type of online store, you'll want to upgrade. The business plan includes everything from premium, but adds significantly more power. You can host up to 50 websites, get 50 GB of faster NVMe storage, more email accounts, and access to Hostinger's full AI toolkit, AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, AI SEO tools. You also get daily and on-demand backups, a built-in CDN for faster global performance, and most importantly, the ability to accept payments and build an AI-powered e-commerce website. If you're building a business website or want to sell online, this is the plan I recommend. If you want maximum performance, the Cloud Startup plan takes things even further. You can host up to 100 websites, get 100 GB of NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes per website, a dedicated IP address, automatic website migration, and priority 24/7 expert support. This plan is ideal if you're running multiple websites or want higher performance and more resources. Once you've chosen your plan, click the Choose Plan button underneath it. You'll now land on the cart page. On the right-hand side, click Have a Coupon Code. Paste in the promo code from the description and click Apply. You'll see the price update instantly, giving you an even bigger discount than what's already displayed. On the left side under Period, choose how long you want your hosting plan to run. Keep in mind the free domain name is only included with annual plans. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the 12-month option. Next, you'll choose your domain name, type in the domain you'd like. If it's available, you'll see it listed as $0 when you're on an annual plan. Click it to add the domain. Important, if you see the domain defaulting to a 2-year term, switch it to 1 year so it remains free. You'll also see that free domain privacy protection is included, which keeps your personal contact information private. You'll also see an optional add-on called Hostinger Reach. This is an AI-powered email marketing tool. If you want to use it, you can select your subscriber amount and add it here, but it's completely optional. Once you're ready, click Continue to create your account. Enter your details and click Register. Next, fill in your billing information. If you selected an annual plan, you'll see the free domain and free domain privacy included in your order summary. Click Continue. Finally, choose your payment method. Hostinger supports multiple payment options. For this tutorial, I'll select Card and click Submit Payment. Once your payment goes through, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt, and then we can move on to building your website. After checkout, you'll be taken inside your Hostinger dashboard. The first screen you'll see is Who is this website for? Go ahead and choose the option that best matches your situation, whether it's for yourself, your business, or a client. If you'd rather skip it, you can click Skip at the bottom. For this tutorial, I'll select an option and click Next. Next, you'll see Create or Migrate your website. If you're starting fresh, select Create a website. If you already have a website somewhere else and want to move it to Hostinger, you can choose Migrate a website instead. Since we're building from scratch, I'll select Create a website and click Next. Now, Hostinger will ask you how you want to build your site. You'll see three options: WordPress, Hostinger Website Builder, Empty PHP HTML. For this tutorial, we're using the Hostinger Website Builder, so I'll select that and click Next. Next, you'll land on the What domain name do you want to use for this website page. Here you have three options. You can enter a domain name you just registered, connect a domain you already own, or if you're not ready to decide yet, click Use Temporary Domain at the bottom. That lets you start building immediately using a temporary address, and you can connect your main domain later. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and select my domain and continue. Now you'll land on the Let AI Create a Website for You page. This is where Hostinger gives you two main ways to get started. If you want AI to build your website for you, simply enter your brand name and a short description of your business, what you do, who you serve, and the style you're going for. The more specific you are, the better the result. Then click the arrow icon, and the AI will automatically generate a full website layout tailored to your needs. Underneath that, you'll also see two additional options: pre-made templates, link in bio website. If you want more control over your starting design, you can choose a pre-made template instead. For this tutorial, I'm going to click pre-made templates so we can look at all the available designs. And just so you know, whether you use AI or a pre-made template, you'll still be using the exact same Hostinger Website Builder once we're inside. So the editing process will be identical either way. Once inside the template section, you'll see a wide variety of designs to choose from. You can click through the different pages at the bottom to browse more templates, hover over any template and click Preview to see a full demo, click the mobile icon at the top to preview how it looks on phones. If you like what you see, just click Start Building to select it. If you want to go back and browse more options, click the All Templates button in the top left. You'll also notice different template categories. Click any category to filter templates based on that style or industry. But here's something important. Any template can be used for any type of website. The category name doesn't limit you. You can fully customize colors, text, images, layout, everything. So don't overthink it. Just choose a design you like visually and we'll customize it to fit your brand. For this tutorial, I'll click Popular Templates. You'll see this template here called Mina. I'm going to use this template for this tutorial. If you ever want to quickly find a specific template, you can use the search bar at the top and type in the template name directly. I'll click Select Template. A pop-up will appear giving you the option to personalize the template using AI. Here you can enter your brand name and a short description of your business. Hostinger will automatically adjust the text and images to better match your brand, which can save you a lot of time. If you want to use AI personalization, click Personalize Template. If you'd rather start with the original design and customize everything manually, click Use Original Template. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and proceed so we can start editing. Now you'll be taken inside the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can begin creating and customizing your website. At the top left, you'll see Website Builder. If you click this drop down, you can quickly navigate back to the Hostinger dashboard anytime. This makes it easy to switch between managing your hosting and editing your site. Now let's jump into how to actually edit and customize your website. To edit any text on your page, simply click on it. You can either click Edit Text or just double-click directly on the text to start typing. From the text toolbar, you can change the heading type, adjust font size and color, make text bold, italic, underline, or strike through, add bullet or numbered lists, adjust alignment. If you click the link icon, you can link the text to a page on your website, a web address, an email address. You can also choose to open the link in a new tab. Click Save once you're done. If you click over the text block, you'll also see options to duplicate or delete it. To change an image, click on it and select Change Image. You can upload a new image, choose from your media library, use free stock images. If you want to rename or delete an image in your library, click the three dots on the image. Click the Select button to insert the image. Once inserted, click Edit Image for more options. Inside image settings, you can add alt text, important for SEO, adjust style and opacity, change shape, add animations, set an action when clicked. To edit an entire section, click inside the section and choose Edit Section. From here, you can change background color, add a background image or video, adjust layout, modify spacing, add overlay effects, make the background fixed. To resize a section, hover over it and drag the height control up or down. To move elements around, simply drag and reposition them. Click Elements in the left menu. You can drag and drop things like text, images, buttons, forms, galleries, videos, icons. Just drag the element onto the page and customize it. Click a button and select Edit Button. Under General, you can change button text, link destination, open in new tab. Under Style, you can customize fill color, text color, font and size, border width and radius, hover effects, animation. Click Add Section wherever you want a new section. You can choose a pre-made section template, filter by category, or add a blank section. Templates save time, but you can always fully customize them. I'll select this one, and it's now been added to the page where you can begin editing it how you like. Click the form and choose Edit Form. Under General, you can change form name, set the email for submissions, view submission list. Under Fields, you can add new fields, reorder fields, make fields required, edit labels and placeholders. You can also customize the Submit button, success message, and styling. Now let's go over editing the header and footer area. Click the header and select Edit Header. You can make the header sticky, adjust spacing, show or hide elements, edit social icons, customize header button. To edit your logo, click it. You can upload a logo image or switch to text-based logo and customize font and size. Scroll to the footer and click Edit Section. You can change background color, add image or video, adjust overlay and opacity. At the top of the editor, click Preview to see your site. Click Go Live to publish. Click Update Website to push new changes. You can also switch between desktop and mobile views. Click Styles in the left menu. Here you can globally control colors, fonts, button styles, animations. Changing styles here updates them across your entire website. Click Pages. Here you can reorder pages, create drop-down menus, hide pages from navigation, enable a Coming Soon page, add new pages. You can drag pages slightly to the right to create submenus. Click Pages, add page, blog. Then use the blog section and the left menu to add new post, manage drafts, create categories. Click Store in the left menu. You can add products, set pricing, create categories, configure shipping, set up payments, add discounts, manage orders, configure taxes. If you're planning to sell online, this is why the business plan is recommended. Click SEO, click a page. Here you can set SEO title, add meta description, choose a focus keyword, edit page URL, hide page from search engines. Hostinger also provides on-page SEO suggestions. Under More, General Settings, you can add favicon, set link preview image, enable cookie banner, click More, connect integrations, view analytics, manage backups, add multi-language support. If your domain isn't connected yet, click Connect Domain at the top. And that's it. Your Hostinger website is officially built. At this point, you should have your domain connected, your design customized, and your website live on the internet. If you haven't launched yet, go ahead and click that Go Live button and make it official. Don't overthink it. You can always update and improve your site later. Now, if you haven't grabbed the exclusive Hostinger discount yet, make sure you use the link in the description. Along with the coupon code next to the link, you'll save even more than what's shown on Hostinger's website, plus a free domain name on annual plans. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more step-by-step website tutorials, hosting comparisons, and exclusive coupon discounts, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.